Hey, welcome back. It's another live video. This is Israel from IsraelNavarro.com. And if you're watching this on replay, I want to say hello and thank you for joining us. So today's topic is very simple, right to the point. It is unpaid social media strategy is a waste of time. And, this is a tricky topic because, so considering a guy that's always on these platforms talking about the importance of growing your social media presence for your business, for your brand, why am I saying it is a waste of time? And the answer to that question is, kinda is. The reason why I'm going to say it's kinda is because as long as you're a business, you need to understand social media is one of the greatest tools you can use. Yes, marketing on television, radio, billboards are great, but social media has a more stronger presence. You can reach a huger demographic, especially here on Instagram. You can really reach people between the age of 18 to 35 without a problem, especially if you determine what is that target market you are looking for. So now, here's what I want you guys to know, that when you're doing this, you got to make sure that you have your business plan cleared out. You know exactly what you want to do, because you do not want to run a business that is not going to be productive with your social media. You have to determine, especially, you can't just be, I'm going to be on social media. You got to make it limit. You got to make it exclusive. You got to make it really down to the itty gritty when you do your social media post for your business, because when it's completely not focus on that, you're not going to be able to reach people out. Now, here's the other thing. You have to determine what is going to be a waste of time. Now, this is where, and it's going to go related to what the topic is. Why I'm saying you have to determine what is waste? Because you can't be paying for ads every month and spend almost, let's say, $1,000 and you're not making a dime back. That is complete waste. That's a complete loss of time, money, and you're not going to get so much production out of it. But here is the cool thing, and this is what I want you guys to know and see, is that you are in control of your social media. Instagram, Facebook, whatever platform you're using really gives you that option to determine which is out there and which is the best for you. So you're going to go from there and you're going to go and get that done. So when you get that you determine what is waste, you do that. Now, here's the other thing. This is where it also becomes a waste. When you are basically using these social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, just to compete with your competitors. Now, if you're in the hamburger business, you cannot expect that your social media is going to compete against McDonald's, Wendy's, Burger King. You're in a small pool to compete against them. So what you want to do is you really got to, instead of wasting your time trying to prove you are better than McDonald's, Wendy's, and Burger King on social media, really take time and focus on what you want. Focus on what you need and what are you going to do. Because when you do that presence, when you really take that in and you really focus on it, you're going to be really much more effective on your social media marketing and building that brand that you really want. And you're going to appeal to that target market. You want them to be interested in your product and service. Now, here's the other thing. You need to have a plan of action. You need to if that is to do a live video every day, if that is to post a video every day, is to put interacting polls on your stories, whatever it is, figure out what you are going to do so you can get them to know what is your end game. Now, your end game is not basically telling I'm posting so you can buy my product. The end game is I want you to interact with me, making you be more social with your interactions on social media so you can build trust with that customer, because that's your end game, is to build trust, not to get the sale. It is to build the trust with them so you can actually continue having that growth in your business. When you do that, you're going to be able to capitalize on those things. Now, here's the other thing. Do not, and this is the last thing I want to close this with, do not copycat. I feel like a lot of people like to copy. Do not copy. Be you. Be authentic. Be original. Because when you really come across like that, you're going to be more relatable. You're going to see people are going to see you're more original. But when they really just see all you're doing is copying the person, just changing things around and posting it, people read it. So you want to make sure that what you do is you. It comes off as you. It tells your story. It tells your story of your business, your brand. So that way they can relate with you. When you do that, you're going to be able to go out there and continue building your business on social media just how you like. So guys, any questions, remember, always feel free to reach out to me, comment in the section below. But here's my challenge. If you guys are really determined on really building your business, your brand on social media, on Instagram, for instance, go in the link in my bio. And if you're watching this on replay, it's 100% in the comment section below. Go into my website, sign up for it. What is it? The ebook, my ebook, Insta Profit Magnet, which is going to teach you how to make, especially Instagram, a profitable area for your business so you guys can continue to grow and you guys can continue enjoying the lifestyle that I have, which is basically making money off of Instagram. So, without further ado, that is for today's video. See you guys soon on the next live video. And for all those, because I will be busy enjoying Father's Day, please give your loved ones happy Father's Day. May it be if your father is or isn't in your life, but always be grateful to the male figure that is a father figure in your life. So take care. God bless you and hope to see you guys soon on Monday. Take care.